Hello everyone, welcome to day 73 of a Stitch a Day 365 days crochet challenge. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to crochet this beautiful smock stitch. This stitch is sometimes also called the honeycomb stitch. To start off this stitch, we are going to need an even number of single crochet row. So I'm starting off with a row of 10 foundation single crochet stitches. If you do not know how to make a foundation single crochet, you can start off with an odd number of chains and make 10 single crochet stitches, or you can crochet an even number of single crochets to the length that you want. And 10. Now chain 1, again make a row of single crochet stitches. So this row also we are going to do 10 single crochet stitches. Make sure to remember the number of stitches that you make, because it will be easier for you to count from this row. Now for the third row, start off with a single crochet. Now we are going to do something called an extended single crochet or a spike single crochet. So for this, you have to insert your hook into the first row that we made. So not here, you're going to go below that row here and pull out a loop. And now pull this loop to align with your stitch here. Okay. Again, make one single crochet and one extended single crochet. One single crochet and one extended single crochet. Continue till the end of the row. You should end the row with an extended single crochet. Now here, make sure you pick up a loop at the end and not in between the stitches. So this is going to hold the extended single crochet in place. Okay, so your work should look something like this. Now chain 1, turn your work, make one single crochet. Now we are going to make something called a modified single crochet together, where you can see this is one V of the extended single crochet and this is the other one. You're going to pick up this loop and the loop right here. That is the second loop of the first spike stitch and the first loop of the second spike stitch, and make one single crochet. This is what is going to create the smock pattern. Now here you're going to again make a normal single crochet. That is between the second spike stitches V. Now pick up the spike stitch loop, pick up the next spike stitch loop and make one single crochet and make another single crochet right here. Okay, again modified single crochet normal single crochet. Now you can see the spike stitch right here, which is why I asked you to pick up a loop. Okay. Now chain 1, turn your work. Now we are going to start off with a extended single crochet, and while doing that you're going to insert your hook right here and also between the V stitch that you made here. You can see the V's forming here. You have to insert your hook between these two loops. So this is what will give you the smock pattern. Again, make one normal single crochet, and the next one is a spike single crochet. Turn your work, spot the next V, which is right here, and make the spike. Again, make one single crochet and again a spike stitch, which is right here. Okay. Now chain 1, turn your work. Now you're going to start off with a modified single crochet and then a normal single crochet. Again a modified single crochet and a normal single crochet. Understand the loops properly so that you get the smock stitch pattern. You can see the smock stitch pattern forming already. Do try out the stitch. You just have to keep repeating the smock stitch till you get to the desired length. Okay. If you have any doubts, you can leave it in the comment section below, and I'll meet you tomorrow with an interesting crochet pattern. Thank you.